Okay, I've given. I've allowed you. Just wait, Krishna Kumar Gupta. Okay. Okay, I have given permission and I have asked you also. Okay, beta. Okay. Just wait. Okay. एक second. So I would urge you people also to come on the screen. Okay. So it will be better. We will be interacting in a better way. Okay. Uh, when we are talking live with each other, na, so it makes the class very impressive. Okay. I have probably I'm not in your group, class group. Okay. So I am unable to share this PPT. So, एक second, beta. Just a minute. Just a minute. I wanted to share my PPT with you. Connect कैसे करेगा? Just a moment, beta. Okay. Unfortunately, it is not getting connected. It is not giving option to come on the means share it through means Zoom. Earlier, it was sharing the screen was available. This option was available. Okay. So, ठीक है. I think that many of you have
That is
joined.
screen share option is there.
Yes, but a screen share option might be given in.
Sir, it is at the center.
Yes, sir.
Yes, share option is there. एक सेकंड बेटा मैं देख लेता हूँ. Probably अगर Microsoft share में होगा तो I'll share it. Microsoft
सर वो बस खाली
OneDrive
होस्ट को मिलेगा शेयर करने को.
हाँ वो होस्ट को ही मिलेगा. ओके देख लेते हैं. एक सेकंड रुकिए मैं देख लेता हूँ तो आपको बता देता हूँ. ओके एक सेकंड मुझे आप दे दीजिए. आई विल बी चेकिंग इट. बैक चेकिंग. I wanted to share that PPT with you, but unfortunately, if I'll not be able to share, तो मैं आज अभी यूपी सर को बोलूँगा कि he must add me. Okay. Just a minute. Just a minute. Don't know where it has gone. Okay. Leave it. Leave it. Okay. So till now, we have discussed about the French Revolution and the idea of nation. Okay, in a class we have discussed. So could anyone remind me of French Revolution and the idea of nation, beta? What were the steps and measures and practices taken by French revolutionaries to inculcate the idea of nationalism amongst the French people, French citizens? What were those ideas, beta? One by one, could you brief me? We have already studied. Hello?
Sir, can you repeat
Hello.
once?
What were the measures and practices introduced by French revolutionaries to inculcate the idea of nationalism amongst the French citizens? We have discussed this question earlier.
Sir, first point is that, sir, An author named as La Patrie has written a Fatherland,
Hmm.
and second, it has written the Citizen. We
Yeah.
Sir, they have written about equal rights of human, and
Hmm.
second was new flag was to change the royal flag, and so third was the state journal renamed by the national journal.
Very good. Very good. Good, beta. Shabash. Shabash.
Sir, uniform weight and measures.
Yes. Uniform weight and measure. देखिए, La Patrie, the idea of La Patrie and Le Citoyen. Then second one is
New
that
French
one.
flag.
Yes.
So new French
Uh,
flag.
new hymns and oaths
Sir,
were taken.
states.
Okay.
Sir,
Martyrs were
new hymns were
commemorated.
composed.
Pardon? Pardon, beta?
Sir,
Hymns were composed.
वही कह रहे हैं. Hymns were composed and martyrs were commemorated. Okay.
sir, internal
So,
custom
and
duty.
finally,
Louder.
yes, and finally, it was the mission of French revolutionaries that they will spread this idea to rest of the nations in Europe. Okay, it was their mission. It was, sorry, but I have some problem in my eyes. That's why it is itching me. That's why I'm feeling not well. Okay, so the idea of okay, so it was their mission that they will spread the idea of nationalism to the rest of the European countries. So as this news broke out, as this news reached to the general masses in Europe through the various media sources, people became enthusiastic. When French army under the leadership of Napoleon started invading European countries, they were welcomed. They were welcomed by the people of the land, let it be Holland, Switzerland, and various kingdoms of Germany, though Germany was not existing at that point of time. Though Napoleon, with his return to monarchy, when he became monarch, when he became king, so he destroyed the core essence of revolution. It is said that Napoleon used to say that he is the son of revolution, but he is accused of murdering the revolution. Okay, by assuming himself as king. जब उसने अपने आप को राजा डिक्लेयर कर दिया, so he is also considered to be the murderer of revolution. But in the administrative field, Napoleon introduced certain reforms, which we know as Napoleonic Code or the Civil Code of 1804. Are you with your books or not, beta? Hello? Are you
Yes,
there
sir.
with your books or
Yes,
not?
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes.
Actually, light was reflecting from that mirror. So, that Napoleonic Code. What is Napoleonic Code? This is being asked as 3 marks question, sometimes 5 marks में भी पूछता है ये. ठीक है? So, नेपोलियन ने भले ही राजा बनकर के डेमोक्रेसी की हत्या कर दी थी, but he introduced something in the parts of Europe where French army invaded and occupied the territory. First thing what he did, he removed all privileges based on birth. यानी जितना भी privilege आपने पढ़ा है क्लास 9th में, फर्स्ट और सेकंड ऑर्डर को हासिल था, it was all abolished. He removed people from serfdom and manorial dues. Anybody knows what is the meaning of serfdom? Last year, I think that you might have studied in class 9. Do you remember? What do you mean by serfdom? I think manor you might not have heard about. Yeah, you might not be knowing about it. Okay, what do you mean by serfdom? सर्फ का मतलब क्या होता है? SERF, सर्फ. Hello?
Sir,
Hello.
not knowing. Sir, not knowing.
Okay. Serf means Mazdoor. This word has been derived from the word sir to serve. इसका मतलब होता है to serve. ये
Sir, what's the spell?
SERF सर्फ. SURF सर्फ. सर्फ एक्सेल वाला सर्फ नहीं बेटा. U की जगह E रहेगा. ABCDE एलिफेंट वाला E. Okay. Serf and serfdom. He gave people, he freed people from serfdom and manorial dues. मनोर बेटा बोलते हैं जो लैंडलॉर्ड्स होते थे ना, नाइट्स होते थे, इनके बड़े बड़े घर होते थे, नोबेल्स के बड़े बड़े घर, यानी जमींदारी जिसको हम कहते हैं, बड़े बड़े पीसेस ऑफ लैंड, ह्यूज पीसेस ऑफ लैंड फॉर देयर अंडर देयर ऑक्यूपेशन. सो उसको हम लोग बोलते हैं मनोर. ठीक है. तो इस मनोर में क्या होता था, क्या मैनोरियल ड्यूज थे, ये हम आपको बता देते हैं. मैनोरियल ड्यूज ये होते थे कि कुछ लोग जो फ्री, एक तो ये सर्फ लोग थे जो बंधुआ मजदूर थे, जो फ्री ऑफ कॉस्ट थे, मींस दे वर पेड फॉर नथिंग. ओके. दे वर मींस उनको वर्क तो करना था बट दे वर नॉट पेड. नॉन पेइंग सर्वेंट या जिसको कहें बंधुआ मजदूर, बॉन्डेड लेबर. ठीक है. इनको कोई भी चीज मिलती नहीं थी सर्फ को. देन दिस मैनोरियल ड्यूज जो था, जो मैनोर था ना, यहाँ पे कुछ किसान थे जो उनकी टेरिटरी में रहते थे. दे वर कंपल्सरीली आस्क्ड टू सर्व इन देयर मैनोर. उनके मैनोरियल स्टेट में आकर के, मैनोर हाउस में आकर के उनको काम करना होता था. लेट इट बी वाइन प्रेसेस, शराब बनाने में अंगूर का यूज करना और काम करना, या खेती बाड़ी भी करने का काम, फार्मिंग भी ये लोग देखते थे, या फिर एनिमल हस्बेंड्री के काम को भी उनके यहाँ के संभालते थे, देखते थे. ये आसपास के किसान थे. ठीक है. दे वर पेड ऑफ समटाइम्स, बट वन थिंग वाज देयर दैट इन among the 7 days of week, for 2 days they have to bring their children and wife to the manorial house for serving them, serving the lords. इन लैंडलॉर्ड्स को सर्व करने के लिए, इनके खेतों पे, इनके मनोर में आकर के काम करने के लिए इनको अपनी फैमिली के लोगों को भी लाना पड़ता था. ठीक है. ये और ये एक तरह से उनके ऊपर इट वाज बाइंडिंग. अगर वो नहीं करते थे तो उनके ऊपर बकाया रहता था. ठीक है. कोई काम अगर नहीं कर पाया तो उनके नाम में लिख लिया जाता था कि इट विल बी कलेक्टेड, उनसे ले लिया जाएगा, किसी भी तरह से वसूल कर लिया जाएगा ड्यूज के तौर पे, बकाया के तौर पे. ठीक है. सो व्हेन नेपोलियन invaded the other countries of Europe, so he get people free from serfdom, यानी गुलामी से आजादी दी उनको. Okay. Then he removed all sort of manorial dues. उसने manorial dues से भी लोगों को आजादी दे दी. Then he introduced certain reforms. He introduced common currency. He introduced standard weights and measures. उसने standard weights and measures भी introduce किए बेटा वहां पर. Then he means right to secure property was given to all. यानी पहले क्या था, प्रॉपर्टी का राइट्स नोबिलिटी और क्लर्जी क्लास के पास था, which you have already studied in class 9th. But now it was given to common man, means the third state वाले लोगों को भी it was given. Okay. Now then people who got this freedom, they enjoyed a lot. अच्छा, बिजनेस करने का भी अधिकार इनको दे दिया. एंड the right to organize guilds was also given to common man. गिल्ड्स के ऑर्गेनाइजेशन और गिल्ड्स का पार्ट होने में आम आदमी को छूट दे दी उसने. ठीक है. अर्लियर इट वाज ओनली दैट रिचीज या जो प्रिविलेज क्लास थे उन्हीं को they only could be the part of a guild association. What do you mean by guild? Does anybody knows guild? I think last year you have studied about guild.
Sir,
What do you mean? Yes, beta. Please firstly raise your hands so that I could trace who wants to reply. Yes, beta. Hello? Hello? Please raise your hands. Hello? If you know, it's okay. If you don't know, then also it is okay. You need not to bother. समूह, बेटा इंग्लिश में बताते तो अच्छा रहता। समूह नहीं बेटा, समूह नहीं। एनीथिंग एल्स? ठीक है, वेल ट्राइड, ठीक है, एक तरह का समूह ही है
Sir, group.
ग्रुप। ओके, ठीक है, आधा सही है। ओके, ठीक, लेट मी एक्सप्लेन। गिल्ड्स आर द एसोसिएशन। हाँ, ठीक 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 ठीक, विवेक सिंह, ओके ओके, ठीक है, लेट मी एक्सप्लेन। Guilds are the organizations or the association of people related to particular occupational groups. ठीक है, particular occupational groups like barbers, barbers का भी ग्रुप होता है, आजकल है, पता नहीं पहले था कि नहीं, आई डोंट नो, पहले नहीं था, बट लाइक ब्लैक स्मिथ्स, गोल्ड स्मिथ्स, वीवर्स, इनके एसोसिएशन, इनके ऑर्गेनाइजेशन थे, स्पेशली जो इनके इन कम्युनिटीज में ट्रेड करते थे। The traders, it is basically the organization of traders of particular occupation. सुनार जो है, जो लोग सोने की दुकान खोल के बैठे हुए हैं, लाइक कन्हैया लाल सर्राफ, ठीक है, या तनिष्क ज्वेलर्स, या बहुत सारा, ठीक है, देयर आर लॉट्स ऑफ मींस पीपल इन्वॉल्वड इन, मींस बिग ब्रांड्स आर देयर, ठीक है, हीरा है सदा के लिए, ऐसा भी बहुत सारा ऐड आता है ना, बहुत सारी कंपनीज है, होंगी, बनारस में ही हजारों होंगे। सो इस तरह के ऑर्गेनाइजेशन, या किराना व्यापार संघ, ठीक है, तो पर्टिकुलरली दे ट्रेड इन स्पाइसेस एंड ड्राई फ्रूट्स, ओके। सो ऐसी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन जो होते थे, जो ग्रुप्स होते थे, हु यूज्ड टू रेगुलेट द फंक्शनिंग ऑफ दैट पर्टिकुलर ऑक्यूपेशन, और उससे जुड़े हुए लोगों का, कि फ्रॉम वेयर दे कैन गेट रॉ मटेरियल्स, from where they can at what price they can sell it, whether new people will be permitted or not, इसका क्या दाम होना चाहिए, चीजों का रेट तय करते थे, कि क्वालिटी फर्स्ट क्वालिटी का है, सेकंड या थर्ड क्वालिटी का है, वो डिसाइड करते थे, और उनके रेट्स भी फिक्स करते थे। ये गिल्ड्स का काम है, ठीक है, और उनके जो मेजर कंसर्न्स होते थे, उनको गवर्नमेंट तक उठाते थे, रेज करते थे, पहुंचाते थे, अगर कोई दिक्कत है उनको। सो दीज वर द ऑर्गेनाइजेशन। सो ही, नेपोलियन, gave rights to other people also to get to become the part of guild बना सकते थे, guild को organize कर सकते थे, ठीक है। So all these things, and one more thing, he introduced he facilitated the transport system by making good roads. उसने अच्छी roads बनाई, और waterways हो चाहे roadways हो, दोनों तरफ से communication को he made much better. So what do you think? People were happy with Napoleon or not? Please
Yes, sir, happy.
raise your hand.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir,
Raise your
happy.
hand. I wanted to interact with you. Please raise your hands. Hello. Yes, Krishna Kumar. Yes, yes, but I
Sir,
speak up.
sir, they were happy due to the common people was not getting the equal rights, but Napoleon has given them equal right and the money.
Okay, let me take a screenshot, beta. Just a moment. Let me take a screenshot. Just a moment, beta. Just a moment, beta. It is auto taking that one. Let me take it. Okay. Okay, beta. Since you all have, Acha, one more thing I wanted to tell you is that now, if you will not attend for the class for 40 minutes, we are really very sorry that you will not be marked present. ठीक है, अगर आखिर के 10 मिनट में और शुरू के 10 मिनट में नहीं रहे आप, ठीक है, या इनमें से किसी में एक बार नहीं रहे, तो probably you will be marked as absent. And since you are in class 10, it's a board class. Next year you will be appearing, hopefully will not be facing such a situation in means next year with this hope, but definitely your attendance matters. So be in the class, ठीक है, अगर though this issue will be resolved, will be sorted out, आपको परेशान नहीं होना है, लेकिन अभी फिलहाल के लिए आपको means आपकी attendance इसी basis पे mark की जाएगी कि whether you were 40 minutes in the class or not. Okay, so these things are there, that Napoleon was, yes, Who was there? Please raise your hand, beta. You have asked a good question. Please raise your hand. Let me check. Kritika Bhattacharya. Yes, Kritika. Kritika, could you come on the screen, beta? Kritika, could you come on the screen? Hello, Kritika.
Sir, my network is not good.
Okay. But you should try to. You all should try to be on the screen. I am seeing just for a moment or a minute, Krishna Kumar Gupta was on screen. It is expected that you should be on screen. Okay, camera on mode, video on mode, so that this makes a good interaction. Yes, Ria. See, Ria has just switched on to video mode. This is the good way. She is well dressed and she is properly sitting. This is the right way. Others, you also can switch on your cameras if you are well dressed. Okay, from the next day, your next class, you should try to come on the screen. Okay, so the teacher could interact with you. अब जैसे मैं रिया से interact कर सकता हूँ because I'm seeing that she is studying, she has opened the book. So it makes learning, teaching learning process effective. Okay, I'm also a learner. I also used to learn from you people. Okay, so I hope that, yes, I think that Arshita is also going to turn on her camera. So please, Krishna Kumar, for today you can turn on. Okay, though you are not in school uniform, you can come on. Okay, ठीक है बेटा, कोई बात नहीं, आप आ सकते हैं. You can come. For today it is granted. For the next day, you should come on the screen. Krishna, please come on the screen, beta. Rahul Kumar, others, I would urge you all that it will make our interaction better. Okay, ठीक है, good. So, as Kritika Bhattacharya, I think she has asked कि एक मिनट उसका क्वेश्चन मैं पढ़ लूं, फिर मैं आपको बता रहा हूँ. Just a moment, just a moment. What was her question? When did Napoleon did such revolutions for the development of common man, common people, and the country? Why was he called the murderer of revolution? I have already explained you these countries and other things. Okay, I've told you that Holland, Switzerland, and Germany was not existing as a nation. One more thing he did. Okay, Germany से याद आ गया. ऐसे कई सारे देशों को उसने जीता था. Spain, okay, Spain पे भी उसने कब्जा किया था. So a lot of countries were there who came under his occupation. आपकी बुक में नहीं दिया है रिया, सारे नाम नहीं दिए हैं. उसमें हॉलैंड, स्विट्जरलैंड और जर्मनी प्रोबेबली दिया नहीं है. ठीक है. This one, sorry, नेपोलियन. तो नेपोलियन ने ये सब ना 1804 में कोड बनाया, इन द ईयर 1804. और इसने इसका मैंने जैसे आपको बताया कि 1804 में ये कोड बना करके पब्लिक में इसने प्लेस कर दिया वेयर एवर ही वन द टेरिटरी. ओके, जहां जहां उसने अपनी टेरिटरीज में जहां जीता, यूरोप में, यूरोप की जिन कंट्रीज को जीता, वहां पर उसने इन रिफॉर्म्स को इंट्रोड्यूस कर दिया बेटा. ओके, देन why he is called as murderer of revolution? Yes, because he became the king, King Napoleon. Earlier he was son of revolution, because he said that people will have the right to vote and everything. They can elect people, elect their representatives. But as soon as he grabbed the power, he came to power, he basically became the king. He proposed that I wanted to become king. Okay. And he asked people, whether you love me to see as a king. Public बेचारी मासूम थी, उसको तो डेमोक्रेसी के बारे में ज्यादा पता भी नहीं था. ओके, सो पब्लिक ने कह दिया yes, yes, Napoleon, you can become king. And with his assumption of the office of king, वो राजा जैसे ही बना. तो राजा क्या होता है? राजा पब्लिक से इलेक्ट होता है या बाय कन्वेंशन होता है या डायनेस्टिक सक्सेशन हो जाता है उसमें? डेफिनेटली राजा को पब्लिक नहीं इलेक्ट करती है. ठीक है. सो in this way he murdered democracy. अगर वो राजा नहीं बनता तो शायद इलेक्शंस होते, इलेक्शंस में उसके जीतने और हारने दोनों के चांसेस रहते कि नहीं रहते बेटा? टेल मी कृष्ण कुमार, whether there would have been chances for him winning and losing?
Yes, sir.
है ना बेटा?
Yes, sir.
Hello?
Yes,
Yes.
yes, sir.
Do you agree? Okay, so this was the case. Now I think Kritika, you might have got it. Kritika?
Yes,
Hello?
sir, I got it.
Okay. Okay. Now tell me, Kritika and Krish Kumar, that whether Napoleon could have become unpopular also. क्या नेपोलियन अनपॉपुलर भी हो सकता था बेटा? नेपोलियन अनपॉपुलर हो सकता था कि नहीं हो सकता था? इतने सारे अच्छे काम कर रहा है, क्या वो अनपॉपुलर भी हो सकता था? Anybody can give answer. Anybody can give answer.
So unpopular
Means he lost his popularity. Earlier he was welcome. French army and French army was welcomed by the people of that countries wherever French army moved. ठीक है, Vivek Singh Rajput has said that no, sir. Okay. Anybody else who agrees to Vivek? Rahul, what do you think? Acha, those who agree, please raise your hand that Napoleon could not means didn't become unpopular. वो unpopular नहीं हुआ था, infamous नहीं हुआ था वो बदनाम नहीं हुआ या उसकी popularity खत्म नहीं हुई. If you agree, then raise your hands. I wanted to see that those who agree. Yes. Nobody agrees. Baba. Acha, those who are present in the class, please raise your hand so that I could understand that you are in the class.
Repeat the question.
Just firstly, you raise your hand. Let me check how many of you are there in the class. See, Asif, Nikhil, Gaurav, Khatri, Harshita, Soni. Okay. Okay. They all are coming. Ayush Vishkarma, Ishan, ये लोग आ गए. Piyush, Ayush Vishkarma is not there. Jia.
Sir, hand raise the option is not coming.
अच्छा, ठीक है. रितेश, प्रशांत यादव, कृतज्ञा झा नहीं आएगा बेटा. आयुष कुमार विश्वकर्मा. ओके, 22 लोगों ने हाथ उठाया है आउट ऑफ 27 इंक्लूडिंग मी इट इज 28. ठीक है, 23 people have raised hand. Okay, it's okay, put down your hand. It appears to me that most of you are in the class. ठीक है, हो सकता है कुछ लोगों को प्रॉब्लम हो नेटवर्क की, so it might be understood. Okay, you may raise lower down your hand. Okay beta. Yes, let me tell you that there were certain reasons which led to the unpopularity of Napoleon. Napoleon की unpopularity के कई reasons थे. अच्छा, एक दो लोग ना मेरा नंबर अपने पता नहीं आपके पास है कि नहीं है, मेरा नंबर है, उसको आप नोट कर लीजिए, मैं पीपीटी शेयर कर दूंगा ना. प्लीज नोट डाउन माय नंबर if you can. I'm writing in the chat box for all. Okay, so please send me a message so that I could share this PPT to you and you share it in the group. Okay, it's my roll number, my mobile number 82990, 990-660-25. Okay, it's my roll mobile number. It's my mobile number 8299066025. So please add in your contact and send me a message on WhatsApp so that I will send the PPT to you. Okay, which contains आज तक का उसमें सारा material available. Okay beta. So I was discussing what were the reasons. Yes, Krish Kumar, please lower down your hand beta. Or if you wish to ask, then ask question. Okay. So there were certain reasons for his unpopularity. For means Nayak se wo khalnayak ban gaya, from a hero to villain. Okay, this person Napoleon traveled a distance. Means he traveled a distance of his life. He covered a distance of his life from as a hero to villain. Why he became villain in those territories? First reason is that he was not willing to give away the political rights, which is the essence of democracy. उसने कहा था कि वो यूरोप में जहां भी जाएगा, he will be introducing political reforms. Means people will be having an option to rule, elect their representatives. Okay, so people were not happy when he started appointing his kith and kins, his trusted allies, trusted associates, in those territories which were occupied by him, like Switzerland, Holland, Germany के कुछ हिस्से, okay, Spain, ठीक है, इन सब countries पे उसका कब्जा था, और he was not appointing, he was not giving any other person chance to participate in a political setup, ठीक है, एक नया सेटअप, डेमोक्रेटिक सेटअप जो जिससे क्रिएट हो सकता था, वो है वोटिंग राइट्स. अगर आज हमारे देश से वोटिंग राइट्स ले लिया जाए तो विल वी बी द डेमोक्रेटिक नेशन बेटा?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Yes. So Napoleon didn't give. He denied that political rights, so I'm not going to give you. I am the ruler of this land. It was okay. थोड़े मोड़े लोग रहे होंगे जिनको पॉलिटिक्स से इंटरेस्ट रहा होगा and wanted to participate or wanted to rule their country. ऐसा रहा होगा, कुछ लोग रहे होंगे. But the second thing which he did was that he introduced taxes. Okay, he increased taxes. Now, what was the reason why he has means why governments increase taxes, impose taxes? Tax government क्यों लगाती है, क्यों बढ़ाती है बेटा tax?
Sir, for welfare of army and
For the welfare of?
sir, the taxes, sir, public facility and for army and for our country development.
ठीक है, public welfare के लिए हमारी governments, yes Vartika, good, good. Please come on the camera. Please come on the camera, beta. It's very good habit. Okay, those who can, please come on. Okay, I'm not asking that everyone should come. Those who are means so their network is good and they can come on the camera, they can. They should come on the camera. Okay, so Napoleon introduced taxes, he imposed taxes, sorry, increased taxes. The reason was that French army was on continuous war with the rest of the European countries. उसकी लड़ाई चल रही थी यूरोपियन कंट्रीज से, ठीक है, अदर यूरोपियन कंट्रीज से, और वो लगातार कब्जा कर रहा था. तो ड्यूरिंग वॉरफेयर इट इज इन जनरली यू कैन अंडरस्टैंड दैट इट नीड्स लॉट्स ऑफ मनी. ओके, ह्यूज सम ऑफ मनी इज रिक्वायर्ड फॉर fighting wars, going on wars, continuing wars. Okay, so this person Napoleon increased taxes in the territories which came under his occupation, which was occupied by him. Okay, then the third thing which he did was imposing censorship. What do you mean by censorship? Ria, do you know the meaning of censorship, beta? Do you know the meaning of censorship, Ria? Ria? No. Okay, anybody knows? Does anybody know the meaning of censorship? Hello? Okay, let me tell you.
No,
Censorship means imposing ban on leakage of any sort of information related to government. ठीक है, गवर्नमेंट की कोई भी इंफॉर्मेशन बाहर नहीं जाएगी, यानी प्रिंट मीडिया या कोई भी सोर्स, एनी अदर सोर्स थ्रू विच न्यूज ऑफ अनरेस्ट, जैसे पब्लिक में बेचैनी फैल रही थी, पब्लिक नाराज थी कि टैक्स लगा दिया, पब्लिक नाराज थी कि पॉलिटिकल राइट्स नहीं दिए हमें, सो ये न्यूज बाहर नहीं जानी चाहिए कि पब्लिक हमसे नाराज है, ठीक है. सो ही इम्पोज सेंसरशिप ऑन द मीडिया. मीडिया पे उसने बैन लगा दिया, यानी उस जमाने में एट दैट टाइम ओनली प्रिंट मीडिया वाज देयर. प्रिंटिंग मीडिया पे उसने बैन लगा दिया, कोई भी चीज गवर्नमेंट के अगेंस्ट वाली नहीं छपेगी. इट इज नॉट गोइंग टू गेट प्रिंटेड. ओके, देन द लास्ट थिंग बट नॉट द लीस्ट वाज फोर्स्ड कॉन्क्रिप्शन. कॉन्क्रिप्शन मींस जबरदस्ती, फोर्स कॉन्क्रिप्शन मींस जबरदस्ती फौज में भर्ती करना, फोर्सफुली टेकिंग the young ones from the family to join French army. जबरदस्ती 18 साल के बच्चों को या और नौजवान बच्चों को, I don't know what was the exact age, in general it is 18 years, so मैं 18 years कह रहा हूँ, but मुझे exactly नहीं मालूम है, but ये था नौजवान लड़कों को जबरदस्ती उनकी फैमिली की मर्जी के खिलाफ, उनकी मर्जी के against their will. There means lots of families were forced to send their young boys to join the French army and to fight the war which was initiated by Napoleon. नेपोलियन की लड़ाई लड़ने के लिए, फ्रांस की लड़ाई लड़ने के लिए जबरदस्ती, forcefully, these youngsters were means forcefully driven by Napoleon. नेपोलियन ने जबरदस्ती उनकी भर्ती करना शुरू किया. Tell me, क्या इस बात से लोग खुश हो जाएंगे कि उनका बेटा जबरदस्ती किसी दूसरे की लड़ाई के लिए जाए, अपने देश की लड़ाई? वो अपना भी देश नहीं था, फ्रांस बाहर का कंट्री था, दूसरा देश था. So why they will fight for that? अगर आप सोचिए इन जनरल, if we are forced that we should join army, so क्या हम जबरदस्ती चाइना के लिए या किसी और देश के लिए या अमेरिका के लिए आर्मी ज्वाइन कर लेंगे? या कोई हमें कराएगा तो हम खुश हो जाएंगे उससे? Will we be happy?
No,
Hello?
sir.
No, sir.
No, it is for the sure that we will dislike him. We will dislike the act of that country जो हमें जबरदस्ती फौज में भर्ती किया. हम भारत के लिए भर्ती हो जाएं, that is okay. देश को जरूरत पड़ेगी तो हम लोग जरूर जाएंगे. हुआ भी था कारगिल वॉर के दौरान. ड्यूरिंग कारगिल वॉर lots of young people went for means getting themselves recruited into the army. ये जज्बा भारत में देखने को मिलता है. ठीक है, कारगिल वॉर के दौरान लंबी लंबी लाइन लगती थी. उस वक्त हम लोग छोटे थे, मीन्स यंग थे, छोटे नहीं थे, बड़े ही थे, यंग थे हम लोग. तो अभी भी यंग हैं. ये अभी वी आर नॉट मीन्स तब उस टाइम पे कॉलेज स्टूडेंट थे उस दौर में हम लोग. ठीक है, स्कूल कॉलेजेस में हम लोग पढ़ते थे. सो एट दैट टाइम, ओके, so at the time means people used to stand in large queues. लेकिन वो अपना देश था ना, वो अपने देश की फौज में हम भर्ती हो रहे थे. हमें जबरदस्ती तो नहीं बुलाया जा रहा था कि नहीं और फौज में ज्वाइन कर लो, ऐसा तो नहीं हो रहा था ना. So all these things enraged people, angered people, and this led to his unpopularity. Now you got it? बात समझ में आ गई? 4 reasons. पहला रीजन डिनायल ऑफ पॉलिटिकल राइट्स. सेकेंड रीजन
Ban of media.
हाँ, ओके, बैनिंग द मीडिया. थर्ड वन में वन बाय वन हम लोग चलेंगे बेटा. पहला तो डिनायल ऑफ पॉलिटिकल राइट्स, सेकेंड इंक्रीजिंग टैक्सेस, थर्ड imposing censorship on any sort of news, then fourth one was forced conscription, जबरदस्ती फोर्सफुली फौज में फ्रांस की भर्ती करना नौजवानों की. ठीक है, all these things made him unpopular in the territories wherever he won. Okay, जिस फ्रेंच आर्मी का और नेपोलियन का पब्लिक ने स्वागत किया था, they were welcomed. Now they were forced to leave the territory. Okay, स्पेन में तो बहुत झगड़ा हुआ इसको लेके, और स्पेन पे ही कब्जा बनाने के चक्कर में नेपोलियन खत्म हो गया. हालांकि नेपोलियन की हार रशिया में हुई when he invaded Russia. रशिया में जाके साइबेरिया में उसकी बहुत सारी फौजें मर गई. बड़ी मुश्किल से नेपोलियन बच करके वापस आया. So after that he got defeated in the battle of Waterloo. Waterloo की लड़ाई में वो हार गया. ठीक है. So this is all for today's discussion. Ria, I will forward. Ria, beta, I will forward this PPT to you on ma'am's WhatsApp. Okay, beta. So you please share it on in the group. Okay, thank you for joining me, beta. Thanks a lot. And from the next day when we will be meeting, I hope that you will be coming in full dress and you will be there in the video on board. Thank you. It